so now for this one, this is not the most fun because it has a fraction. But we're asked to solve for b, so that means we want to get b by itself. So to get rid of, oops, what am I doing? I don't know. So to get rid of the fraction, in other words, I could say a is equal to 1/2 times b times h. Anytime you want to get rid of a fraction, multiply the fraction by the denominator, but remember, whatever you do on one side, you got to do to the other. Now, this is called the multiplication property of equality. Please, whatever I write down, you guys write down, okay? The more you write it down, the more likely you are to remember it 2 years from now when you take the SAT. And that's the word equality. It looks like equalify, but that's equality. All right, so now what's 1/2 of 2? It's just 1. What's 1 times BH? BH. And that's equal to 2 times A. We're almost there. I got to get B by itself. What's the H doing to the B? Mathematically speaking. When you have two variables that are next to each other, what's the mathematical operation you're supposed to do with those two? Multiply, right? So what's the opposite or the inverse of multiply? Division. So I'm going to divide by H on both sides. That is the division property of equality. And so these H's cancel, and then my final answer is going to be B is equal to 2A all over H. That's the final answer. I ran out of space, but that's the answer. Make room somehow, some way. Okay? So now what I'd like for you guys to do is try to do problem number 3 on your own and see what you come up with. I'll give you a couple minutes.